This is a couple, 45 years of marriage, and with some wise words.
Get rid of your stuff, but don't think of it as, oh my God, these are things I own. Because really, all you own is your memories. And your memories are in there. They're not on a couch. They're not in a bed. They're not. That's the most important thing is get rid of the stuff in your head that really is not important. Like, to me, that's the main thing.
This 35. This was 35 degrees. That was too much. This is really nice. Yeah, guys, this is it. This is my future. We're going over 30 degrees. Check this out. We're almost eating water, and here you can't see it. Okay, but there is a red buoy. Okay. I'll summarize a little bit. First problem. I crashed into a red buoy. Such a big one. I can't believe I did that. I had the motor and evaded. And there were people looking. But yeah, well, it's a Belgian flag. Oh. So I crashed a buoy. And I don't want to crash another one. Oh, you can't see that. It's way too far. But it's still a little bit ahead. And the wind, I don't know if you can see that. You have like 30 degrees. 30 degrees that way and that way. When the middle tail is in between the other tails, you can't sail because yeah, it's straight on wind. And you can't be in 30 degrees because then yeah, you have just wind in your face. Then you need a tack because then you can stay in out the 30 degrees. So you can sail like that. I don't know if it's 30. No, it's 30 in total. It's not. It's 15, I think. If it's not, I need to look it up. Don't shoot me. But I'm starting to get the hang of it when the wind is easy. Now we have almost straight wind and a lot of room, and we're going forward almost 5 knots. 4.4. That's 4.7 a second ago. 4.6. So I don't know what I was saying. I'm not used to it. It's not a muscle memory yet. It's so it's so crooked sometimes. When we're going over 25 degrees, 30 is scary. I think I did 36 today, but that was really scary. Then you think it's done. But this boat can't capsize. It can't, they say. But I can understand why they say that, because from the moment that it's trying to capsize, it's just gonna flip around. It's gonna be really scary, but it's not gonna go with the sails in the water. I don't think so. I'm not gonna try it, but That's the biggest selling point from this Deller Delanta, that it can't capsize. Man, we're going 20 degrees. Not so scary. But it is when you have a $1,000 camera in your hand. I crashed that red buoy, and then, guys, I got stuck. I got stuck, man, and I was inside the buoys. I was really, because I just crashed one, I was really paying attention to the buoys more than necessary, and I just got stuck in between those buoys. I wasn't over the line. If you draw a straight line in between the buoys, I was at, I have a depth meter here. I was at 1.4, and then the alarm went off because I put in an alarm now. Last time with Duke Yukum, he doesn't like it when I say that on YouTube. But who knows him? Nobody knows him as my followers. So I put in an alarm. Here you can see that, maybe, and it went off, and I had 1.6, 1.6, yeah, and I think I for me it's 0.9 my depth, but it can be 1.2 also. But it was 1.6. I had more than enough, but I got stuck. I didn't feel it even. It was really mellow, and then yeah, the wind was pushing me around on my keel, and then friendly people came over, and they weren't sailing. It was a sail ship, but they were motoring, and the guy was blind. The husband was blind, near blind, and the woman asked me if I was in trouble, and I said, "Yeah, I'm in big." And we throw the sheet to each other, and he had a lot more horsepower than me. That's a nice boaty. Nice sea. Okay, I need to go straight. Why is that guy sailing on the wrong side of the buoy? I wouldn't do that. Ooh. Okay, okay, watch my hand again. Sometimes, okay, I need to undo this sheet and then we straighten out again. But I'm talking to you guys, so excuse me. What was I saying? Man, we're making some serious pace though. I think we did some serious miles today. I think I need another 15 minutes before harbor, and then I need help, I think, because I don't have a prop. And then I need to go clean everything up, put it in the car. I think I'm gonna let my dinghy here. The first thing I'm gonna do is check if the supermarket next to the harbor is still open. I need drink. I can't drink salt water. It's salt water. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, big waves. I can't believe when I go to sea, when I have 3 meter waves. These are like 6 centimeters. I'm really enjoying this. Oh my god, I so wanna go into sea. Okay, I know this is an awkward video shot. I've seen other people, other guys do this, so like this. And it's really awkward to watch a guy do that. When a nice woman, a nice looking woman does that, it's nice to look at, but when a guy does that, it's really awkward. Oh yeah, and I lost my other gloves. I had such a nice fishing gloves from back in the days where you can undo the tip so you have your fingers free for hooks and stuff. These two fingers and your thumb, you could undo just unwrap it and then with Velcro flap it around. So you had your fingers free. And I lost them. I can't believe that I lost them. This boat is really nimble. It really is. It really steers like a dream. It's really a good boat. I can't believe that I got it for this ship. I, I, it feels like I stole it from those guys. And they were really friendly. Stream, and it feels like we're still, but we're doing 3 knots. What? And it's completely wind still. Now there is a little bit wind again. Okay, I go a little bit to the right, and then we're exactly the same as nature. I'm the same as I'm with nature now. Oh, there is a guy on the. There is a guy there. It's a house. It's possible there lives somebody. So, but he's looking. He's looking. But now, seriously, I'm with nature. I'm completely with nature. Hello, mother. How are you? I feel you. Oh no, that's a little bit icky. Okay. I'm recording here for 24 minutes, guys. That's long enough. If you want to see the guy on the sailboat, subscribe, and I see you guys the next time. Bye.